Uh, Hey, this one of them tracks that make me sit back and think about my whole life, like all the shit I didn't overcome and shit. Thinking about my mom struggling and my pops out here. Shit real. You feel me? I'm sick of trying to show these damn fools I'm a winner. See, I just let the grind mode show 'em I'm a winner. Fucking with that nigga was no good for me. And when it came to other hoes, he never stood for me. I'ma keep it solid, cause I know it's shit I can't change. And some people never grow like a tree with no rain. I remember when my moms really didn't have the bread. She always was a hustler, kept us all fed. And my pops on the corner asking people for change, and never knew his baby girl would bring change to the game. It's life, roll the dice. A real nigga know he never think twice. See, I'm just trying to get it in them loops, yeah I did that. Was dripping on the riots, red rum, yeah I killed that. Queen Lazy, you feel me? Bitches know I keep that gang green like Luigi. Plus I ride dick, pussy wetter than the squeegee. Dressed in all black, niggas know I keep that. When them choppers get to talking, I ain't talking chit chat. Get the shit clap, believe that. And now I don't do drama, I'm focused on getting commas. I'm smoking on that Obama, be bombing shit like Osama. Women lie, men lie, they ain't what they say they is. I just play my role, stack my paper, call me Lego kid. I'm in my own lane, fuck the rest. Heard they sending shots, so I invested in a vest. S is tatted on my chest, honey better than the rest. Bitches.
Timeless music. In the mud.
Y'all already know who the fuck it is, you feel me?
In the mud.
Honey. If you gon' come correct. Honey swerving on him in a jet, you feel me? Yeah.
Said he wanted threesome. Me, him, and the money. Said he wanted threesome. Me, him, and the money. Said he wanted threesome.